How to deactivate account in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, here slowly scroll down. There's a section called Settings. Simply tap on Settings. So now we're in this settings interface. Here you can customize and make different changes in the app. So here there's a section called Deactivate. Simply tap on Deactivate. Now, in order to remove or deactivate your account, there are only two different options. Either you can log out it or simply delete your account. So it's better you simply delete your account. Here on the bottom, tap on delete account, and here you can choose the reason you want to remove it and it will automatically be deleted. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.